So now let's see how we can search and work around with icons inside of Canva. So for that, I'm going to go around elements right over here, and then I'm going to search for the icon of my choice. So I'm going to type in learn right here, and I'm going to press enter. And you can see that similar icons actually appear right over here. Again, you can see that there's the crown icon right over here, which means that this is a paid icon, and the ones without are the ones which are free. So I'm just going to bring it out right over here, and then you can see that I can resize this out according to what I want and keep it right over here. So for this particular icon, there's no editing options, as you can see right here. So I can bring it other one right over here, and then I can resize it, keep anything I want, as you can see right over here. Let me just close this out, and here you can see that there's some featured icon, as you can see. So I can bring this out over here. And some of the icons you can see has color options pop up. So you can go over here and choose your own color over here as well, just like this. And you can change the outlook of the entire graphics as per your wish as well. So you can go around here, change out the entire graphics as well. But this is only available for some of the graphics right over here, as you can see. So I can go around here, can see some graphics. I can bring it out right here. So these has color option. Then I can change out the colors for this one. But this is not available on all of the icons and graphics which are present. And that is how you can work around with icons and graphics inside of Canva.